One of the most important parts of your off Amazon marketing is following up with your prospects after they engage with your Facebook ads. Follow up is really where the magic happens for all of the sales that you didn't get right away from your immediate promotion that you're running. It's all the sales that you're going to get from people who simply just have more questions or who wanted a little bit more of an understanding of how the entire process worked. Sometimes people just even forget about the promotion. They put it off till later, and it's not their fault. They just got busy with life and didn't remember your amazing deal. So following up with prospects is one of the fastest ways to do this. And I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your sales after they've already given you their email or after you've already engaged with them in some manner in order to get more sales from that list, right? The last thing you want to do is have a stale list. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to nurture your Amazon email list to get more value from it. So tip number 1, create email templates ahead of time. Ideally, you'd want to have 2 email templates pre-written before you even begin running Facebook ads. And this will save you so much time, because if you're doing this and you get responses from people and you're trying to get to them manually responding an email, it's just going to take so much time and it's not going to be very productive. First template is going to be a customer support email. I recommend that because that's generally going to be one of the barriers potential prospects have with your product, is they just simply have questions about it before they want to make a purchase. So that first email should be an introduction of your business and your brand, and it should also offer a customer service support system or some sort of a reply to us if you have any questions at all. We'll be more than happy to help you, something to that effect, so that way the people who did have reservations before, now they have a system where they can reach out to you conveniently and get their questions answered, and allowing them to make the purchase with peace of mind. You want to keep that first email under 200 words. No one likes reading a long email. And I actually found a blog post from HubSpot saying that in their statistics running millions of email campaigns, they saw that wordy emails more than 200 words got 50% less of a click-through rate. So by keeping your email length under 200 words, you're actually improving the click-through rate by 50%. So that's huge. That's a 50% increase in clicks. So ideally, keep it short and sweet and make sure there's some sort of a customer support in that, letting them know, hey, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. We'll be more than happy to help. And also just add some sort of a sense of urgency, if that you have a lot of interest in this or something like to the effect to make them really want to act on this offer. Maybe there's only a few coupons or a few rebates left, something to that effect. Don't overdo it, but you do want to have also some sort of sense of urgency in that very first email you send out 12 hours after you've collected their emails. Tip number 2, add some sort of a value piece on your next email. Now, the reason why I say that is because if you think about it this way, if a customer has already purchased one of your products and they either used a coupon or a rebate and they followed through with the purchase, they've already done business with you. I see a lot of Amazon sellers make the mistake of immediately start bombarding their email list with new promotions, new discounts like every week, and upsells. There's nothing wrong with that, but you don't want to do them all right away. You want to build rapport with the customers, and don't just slam them with more deals on other products that you may have. Build rapport first. So I usually recommend on that second email that you give them some sort of a value piece, right? So the first piece is customer service, give them peace of mind. The second email should be something of value. So a good example of a value piece that you could add would be some sort of a helpful PDF that involves your product and demonstrates it in one of the best uses that will provide value for the customer. So let's just say, for example, you're selling lemon presses. Something that you could send, a value piece that you could send, would be basically a PDF that just says, look, the top 10 desserts you can make with lemons, and here's the recipes for each. So they'll have a recipe book for 10 desserts to use with lemons if they just bought your lemon press, and that you can see costs you really no time at all. You can probably Google something like this, or if you're very familiar with lemons because you're selling lemon press, actually just make your own recipe book. 10 recipes is going to take you no time at all, and it really makes your business stand out because customers will see this PDF, top 10 recipes, or the best way to make fresh lemonade, step-by-step process, something to that effect. And customers will appreciate that because, again, it's moving past just being a transaction, and you're trying to build loyalty with the customers that you're engaging with through email, because you're taking the effort to reach out to them with Facebook ads, you're collecting their emails, and you're actually making an effort to showcase your business in the best light possible, letting them know you're not just an Amazon seller selling lemon presses. You're actually appreciative of their business, and to show you that appreciation, here's a recipe book, or here's some sort of utility that you can offer them for free in the form of a PDF, and they'll see that and really appreciate that. And so that's why I always recommend Amazon sellers do that. Before you start sending them a ton of promotions, hey, look, buy my next product, buy this other product, promotion. I mean, people are just going to forget about your business right away. It's best to deposit first, and then maybe on that third email, offer some sort of a promotion if you're running a promotion. If not, you can even do something like buy two, get one 50% off, something like that. But only do it if you are running those promotions. Don't do it too often, and make sure you're consistently providing value to your email list first before you start bombarding them with new offers, new products, etc., etc. So tip number 3 is run giveaway promotions to grow your email list and also your social media pages. So if you have social media accounts for your business, that's a great way to get more followers. And it's a fantastic way to get more email subscribers, because the people who've already purchased a product from you have friends and family who are more than likely also potentially interested customers that will cost you no marketing dollars whatsoever to engage with these people, because they're already friends and family with your customers, right? You don't have to run more Facebook ads to reach everybody. This will be one of the most inexpensive ways to expand your email list in your follow-up, is by running some sort of a promotion. And there are a lot of cool tools that you can use to make the whole giveaway process much easier, right? You're not necessarily giving away your product, you're just simply giving away gift cards towards Amazon that customers can use as long as they like and share your specific post. So you can use tools that I found here, the top 8 social media contest tools, and you can use any one of these. Each have their own unique process to them, and you can just find whichever one suits your business the absolute best. So I'll go ahead and have this link also in the description so you can check it out. And this is extremely powerful because when you're engaging in giveaway sweepstakes, again, people add virality to this on their own. You don't have to pay for something to go viral in the sense of running a ton of Facebook ads and hoping it goes viral. You can simply just offer this in the email, right? Click here to enter the sweepstakes and share it to increase your chances of winning. And people can just simply click on it and share it with all their social media accounts, and it actually will improve their chances of winning. And it's not going to be anything too crazy other than, $100 in upfront costs for each individual gift card. It's not costing you any money, and all the extra leads that you're generating are probably going to be fractions of that compared to how much it would cost you if you're trying to close a sale immediately through your Facebook ads, right? You're actually saving so much money on the back end because you're allowing people to share this on their own social media absolutely for free, and that produces leads for your business, again, at no extra marketing costs. So you can see how that's extremely powerful. So in addition to building out the systems to gain rapport with your customers, it's also important to also nurture your list and have it compound on itself. So using your list to grow your list, right? It's really easy to set up. You can use one of those tools, but it's one of those secret sauce strategies that a lot of Amazon sellers who are top sellers are using because they see the utility of their email list. And instead of paying more money to grow that, why not just run the sweepstakes and have your list just grow itself? I recently came across a really neat article from HubSpot saying that keeping your emails under 200 words is the ideal sweet spot to get the most clicks for your emails that you're sending out. So it says the ideal length of a sales email based on 40 million emails. So this is a statement that is backed up by quite a bit of data. I mean, how many of you can say you've ran 40 million emails? That's insanely high. So this is a really important piece to pay attention to because they've ran so many emails and they have the data to show which works best. So they go on to say the ideal length is an email between 50 and 125 words. Emails with this length had a response rate above 50%. Like, that's insane when you think about it. To have above a 50% click-through rate, that's unheard of in the email industry. And it's essentially saying, you know, short and sweet basically is what people want to see, especially if it's a cold email. So a similar study found that emails with approximately 20 lines of text, or about 200 words, had the highest click-through rates. When in doubt, keep emails short and under 200 words. And I agree with HubSpot, right? When in doubt, keep your email short and sweet. You know, have everything that we've gone over, a sense of urgency, and you want to have that customer support system in that email, but keep it short and sweet, and you'll get so much better results when you're following up with your customers on Amazon through your email system. So now you have a perfect strategy on how to nurture your Amazon emails that you collect from promotions that you're running from Facebook ads, right? These 3 tips will help you improve your sales on Amazon, improve your reviews, improve your rank, and overall improve the entire process in connecting with customers and showing them really that you're not just another product. You stand out because you're offering customer service pieces, you're offering value, and you're also offering other systems to engage with them through sweepstakes and other things like that. So again, having your own email list on Amazon is essential for scaling because Amazon owns the customer data at the end of the day. So if you're taking traffic into your own hands and running your own promotions, you are taking traffic into your own hands, and you're actually having a faucet of traffic that you could turn on or off whenever you want, simply because you're building up a brand asset in the form of emails. Emails equal cash for your Amazon FBA business. And using these 3 tips will help you get the most out of your email list and improve your entire system for your off Amazon marketing. Now, one of the best ways to actually catalog all the emails that you're collecting is using RebatePal, because through RebatePal, you don't have to manually collect emails, right? We're already collecting the emails for your coupon and your rebate promotions that you're running. And so you can use those emails, export them on an Excel sheet, and easily export it towards your email marketing software. So it's really important that you have some sort of automated system in place to collect these emails in an efficient manner and have them easily exportable so you can integrate all of these tips that we're going over for your Amazon marketing. Otherwise, if you're doing this process manually, it can take you a really long time to collect these emails and having to sift through messages. So make sure you have some sort of automated process in place when you're engaging with your prospects, that you're automatically collecting these emails in some sort of an Excel format in order to get the most out of your email list and the best marketing results possible. So if you have any questions on this process, go ahead and leave me a comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it resourceful. And of course, if you want to learn more about RebatePal and how we can automate this entire system for you, I will have a link below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.